Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of opening a brokerage account with Merrill Edge. If you're ready to start investing and take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Visit the Merrill Edge website. Begin by navigating to the Merrill Edge website. This can easily be done by searching for Merrill Edge in your preferred web browser. Make sure you are on the official site to ensure your information is secure. Step 2. Click on Open an Account. Once on the homepage, look for the Open an Account button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to start the application process. Step 3. Choose the type of account. Merrill Edge offers various types of accounts, including individual, joint, retirement, and custodial accounts. Select the account type that best fits your investment goals. Take a moment to review the features and benefits of each to make an informed decision. Step 4. Fill out the application. Next, you will be prompted to fill out an online application. This will include your personal information such as your name, address, social security number, employment details, and financial information. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid delays in the account opening process. Step 5. Review your information. After entering your details, take a moment to review the information you've provided. Confirm that everything is correct before moving on to the next step, as any errors may require additional verification. Step 6. Agree to terms and conditions. You will then be asked to read and agree to the terms and conditions of opening an account with Merrill Edge. Make sure to take your time to understand these terms, as they outline your rights and responsibilities as an account holder. Step 7. Funding your account. Once you've completed the application process, you'll need to fund your new account. Merrill Edge allows you to fund your account via electronic transfer from your bank account, or you may choose to mail a check. Follow the prompts to set up your preferred funding method. Step 8. Set up your investment preferences. After funding your account, you'll have the opportunity to set your investment preferences. This includes choosing your investment style, whether you prefer self-directed investing or would like to work with an advisor. Step 9. Explore the platform. With your account now open and funded, take some time to explore the Merrill Edge platform. Familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available, including research tools, investment calculators, and educational materials to help you make informed decisions. Step 10. Start investing. Now that everything is set up, you're ready to start investing. Whether you plan to invest in stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds, make sure to do thorough research and develop a strategy that aligns with your financial goals. Remember, the key to successful investing is to stay informed and be patient. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more insightful content on investing and finance. Thank you for watching.